Don't trust them at all. There is a lot of politics there. There is no quality of flying there. You have flown for half an hour, so they will log 1 hour.
Is there any entrance exam? How many aircrafts are operational?
They will make fun of you. Even in the front of whole school, they will shout on you. They are very demotivating, I would say.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a student from Garg Aviation and we'll be asking a lot of questions to him which will give you guys a idea what Garg Aviation is up to now and if that school is a right fit for you. So firstly, let's start by asking him about the current CPL fees at Garg Aviation.
So current fees is about 50 lakhs now. Actually, if you see Garg, it's in good in this thing that it is cheaper than flight schools in India because most of the flight schools are charging 60 now, but Garg is charging 50. So prices has increased, right? But it is still less than the other flight schools.
All right. And does this 50 lakh includes hostel and accommodation fees?
No accommodation is included because Garg has no hostel. Okay, so you have to take a PG, you can rent flats. Actually, pay accommodation बहुत अच्छा है वहाँ पे. In Kanpur, it is a huge city, so you can find accommodation easily. And you will find all the, all the stuff, you don't have to search for it. No, so it is a good place to stay. So no accommodation fees included. It is out of package.
All right. And on an average, how much time does Garg Aviation take? And do they even provide you like a specific duration key will complete your flying in this much time?
So it will take 2 to 2.5 years. Okay, they will provide you the quotation that we'll complete it in 15 to 16 months, or we will try to finish it in 1.5 years. But I would say don't trust them at all. There is a lot of politics there. So it will take 2 to 2.5 years. इतना तो लगेगा ही, इससे कम नहीं लगेगा.
All right, all right. And is there any entrance exam to join Garg?
No entrance exam, direct admission. You have to provide a registration fee and you have to coordinate to the Delhi department. They will provide you the date and when you have to join because they're taken batches.
All right, okay. And how many aircrafts are operational at Garg?
There are 10 to 11 aircrafts operational in Garg. They have a huge fleet of Cessna and Cessna 152s and 172s only.
Okay. And approximately how many instructors would be there?
There are 8 to 9 instructors and each instructor has approximately 10 to 15 students.
Okay. And is there a multi-engine available there?
Yeah, there is a multi-engine. Tecnam is available there.
Okay. And do they also provide ground classes?
No ground classes, no debriefing also. There is just you will get flying only.
Okay. Next thing is about the instructors' quality. Do you think they genuinely teach, or you feel like they are just logging their hours and pushing students?
Yes, they are logging hours only. Okay, there is no quality of flying there. I think it is one of the, I would say that you should not join there if you are seeking for quality flying. If you are just going for logging your hours, then Garg is best because the instructors will log your flying. मतलब ऐसा होगा कि अगर आप you have flown for half an hour, so they will log 1 hour. Okay, this happens there. तो फ्लाइंग का तो ये है कि आपके आवर्स तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा लॉक करेंगे बट द थिंग इज देयर इज नो क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचिंग they will shout on you and they will make fun of you even in the front of whole school. So they are very demotivating, I would say.
Okay. And this is a common issue that is faced by the students there, or is it with some particular students?
No. I think it is faced by most of the students there. कुछ ऐसे होता है, देखो politics is everywhere. So अगर आप किसी के थ्रू आते हो या you have a huge impact on your back, so then it's a different case. But it is faced by most of the students there.
All right. And is there a roster system, or do the instructor get to choose who will fly?
No. The biggest disadvantage there is no roster system. No holiday, even not big festivals. You will मतलब आपको दिवाली पे भी जाना पड़ेगा. And वहाँ पे the problem is आपको सुबह रिपोर्ट करना है and then you have to sit till the sunset and you have to go there 365 days. You cannot take a leave. If you are taking the leave, you have to provide the rejoining letter the next day and you cannot fly then.
All right.
You will मतलब आप सो नहीं सकते because there is no single day when you can get a leave.
Okay. And let's talk a little bit about the management and are they friendly enough to adjust with the installments and how are the installments placed?
It depends on your package. I think they are divided in 5 to 6 installments. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि दे विल पुश यू फॉर द पैकेज बट स्टिल ऐसा है कि आपको टाइम से पहले यू हैव टू पे द फीस ओके वरना दे विल स्टॉप योर फ्लाइंग दैट हैपेंस देयर.
Okay. All right. And let's say there is a student who is willing to join Garg Aviation for any reason. And is there any advice that you have for him?
See, the only advice is, I would say, don't go to Garg. There are many other schools in India. You can search for them, but गर्ग में नहीं जाना चाहिए बिकॉज लोग ये सोचते हैं कि पैकेज थोड़ा कम है बट आई वुड से यू शुड सीक द क्वालिटी फर्स्ट है ना क्वालिटी भी इम्पॉर्टेंट अगर आप इतना पे कर रहे हो यू आर पेइंग सच अ ह्यूज अमाउंट 50 lakhs इज नॉट लेस सो आप चाहोगे उसमें कि यू शुड गेट द क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचिंग क्वालिटी ऑफ फ्लाइंग यू शुड गेट द डी ब्रीफिंग एंड स्पेशली यू शुड गेट द टाइम यू शुड गेट द comfort you are living far away from your home. So I would say that we search for other schools in India. There are many schools, but don't go to Garg. It's my personal suggestion.
All right. And do you have any other suggestion? Ki this school is going good and you can go and maybe check out the school.
सी आई कैन नॉट से बिकॉज ये ना फिर वही हो जाता है कि सबके अपने ऊपर डिपेंड करता है लाइक फॉर मी आई जॉइन गर्ग बिकॉज ऑफ लेस पैकेज आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई थिंक इट इज चीपर देन अदर फ्लाइट स्कूल्स इन इंडिया सो पीपल कम देयर अ लॉट देयर आर 150 to 200 स्टूडेंट्स देयर और वो सब ज़्यादातर इसलिए आते हैं क्योंकि पैसे कम है बट यही है कि अब मैं ये तो नहीं बता सकता बट हाँ you can see chimes or dunes fstc also so these are some of the good flying schools so you can go there.
Okay. Any final words that you want to add in this video? You can let the viewers know.
I would end up saying that you can go to Garg if you want to but ये चीज़ सोच लेना कि you will not get the quality of flying ठीक है if you have a good if you have a huge impact or huge hand on your background कि मतलब किसी का बहुत ज़्यादा impact है in flying और some of your family member is in DGCA तो you can go there तब तो ये है कि politics से हो जाएगी flying you will get the flying but the problem is it is just for logging the hours ठीक है you will not learn anything एंड वहाँ पे बहुत वेदर का भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम रहता है बिकॉज इस कानपुर उत्तर प्रदेश तो ज़्यादातर वहाँ पे बारिश रहती है फॉग एंड इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम देयर एंड देयर इज़ नो गुड मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो कि मतलब बैठने का भी यू विल नॉट गेट एयर कंडीशनर सो यू हैव टू सिट अंडर अ ट्री फॉर द होल डे इन सच अ स्कॉचिंग हीट तो आई वुड से पहले जाओ विजिट द बेस टॉक टू द स्टूडेंट्स देयर कि अब प्रेजेंट में क्या हाल है एंड देन ज्वाइन इफ इट फिट्स इन योर यू नो अगर वो आपको अच्छा लगता है देन ओनली ज्वाइन.
All right. I think we can end it here. And thank you a lot for joining and sharing your honest experience.
Okay, thank you.
If you want me to continue the series and make more such videos on some other flying school, then you can let me know in the comments which flying school you want me to cover next. And if you yourself are a student of a particular flying school and you want to share some insights about this school, then you can fill a form which is attached in the description, from where we'll set up a quick anonymous call and you can share your thoughts about a particular school there. And guys, do not take this video as a guide to avoid or join any particular flying school. Do your own research because this is based on one student's personal experience at a flying school. So do your own research and then only decide which flying school you want to join or avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.